What is hump reduction? See, in the nose surgery, rhinoplasty surgery, commonly people come with one problem called hump. Hump meaning there is a bulge in the midline. So the bulge can be in two places. See, this is the bone, this is the cartilage. Sometimes the hump will be half in the bone, half in the cartilage. Sometimes only in the bone, sometimes only in the cartilage. Okay. So removing the hump gives a uniform dorsum, uniform this line. So if when there is a hump, the aesthetic line what we get here will be disturbed in few places, so it won't be continuous. How will we remove the hump? Okay, only the hump removal needs a closed rhinoplasty where we make only inside cut, and the cartilaginous hump should be shaved with a knife or a scissors. The bony hump will be removed by doing a osteotomy. Osteotomy is a little harder instrument where we break the bone and remove the excess the excess bone growth in that area. See the minimal hump can be reduced by these maneuvers, by like closed rhinoplasty maneuvers. So after removing the hump, it's a mild to moderate hump, we end up in sometimes something called open roof deformity. See, this is the bone cartilage, the midline there is something called septum. So it will be like a triangle. So the two sides of the wall and one in the middle line is the septum. See, when we shave off the upper part, what happens? So this margin will be visible, this margin will be visible, and the septal margin will be visible. So it will be like a three lines. So correcting that, what we need to do is we need to narrow the bone. So we make a cut in this side of the bone and this side of the bone. We push it like this, so that this three lines become obliterated, it becomes a single line. Sometimes even after that we need to give some cartilage graft in this region to give a good shape to the nose, as well as give the good definition to the dorsal aesthetic lines. These dorsal aesthetic lines are these two lines which we create, which we get during the, when you take a photograph you can easily see the dorsal aesthetic lines. To give a good dorsal aesthetic line along with the bone narrowing, that is called osteotomy, we keep some cartilage graft also here. Sometimes if the hump is very big, removing the whole hump, cartilaginous hump, makes the mid-vault area a little weaker. Mid-vault means the middle of the nose. When it becomes weaker, you end up in something called a internal nasal valve collapse. There is two valves. External nasal valve is outside, internal nasal valve is little inside. When that internal nasal valve collapse happens, you have a breathing difficulty. How will you identify? After the surgery, if you have a breathing difficulty, you lift the skin like this, the breathing difficulty becomes better, means that internal nasal valve area that is narrowed, so that difficulty in breathing is happening. So for correcting that, something called spreader graft has to be applied along with the hump removal surgery. What is spreader graft? The septum is like this, I told in the midline, septum is like this. We remove part of the septum in the below region, we make the septum into two small half, and the remaining septum is here like this in the midline. We keep two cartilaginous graft here and suture in the with the septum, what is existing remaining septum in the upper part, so that the angle, this angle will be little more like goes up like this, so that angle value increases, so the nasal airflow will be better. So your air, that more than that, it gives a stable dorsum to that, say stable middle vault in this region, so that it looks good also. So to avoid the airway compromise and giving a good stable middle vault, use a spreader graft. So most of the time in our center we go for the open rhinoplasty when we need to do a spreader graft, because we feel it is comfortable and easier, but a lot of people they do spreader graft in the closed rhinoplasty also. So I think I cleared what is hump and what is hump removal procedure like, and I think you get a clear idea about the hump reduction.